guys, welcome back to another episode of Stock Talk Live with your girl, Dr. E and David. We are here to help you break down the stock market and give you knowledge that you need in order to make financial decisions that's going to best help you for yourself right now and for your future.
Yeah. So, Micron recently raised its fourth quarter forecast. Revenue is now expected around $11.2 billion with an EPS of $2.85 billion. Thanks to the booming demand for AI memory chips, strong demand for high bandwidth memory used in AI data centers, the DRAM and NAND market improving, supply still tight.
Exactly. You see, all right, you guys. So as you can see, the investors should definitely keep their eye on these things, especially during earnings. So we're talking about gross margins. Are their profits still holding as price moves? What about the AI-driven demands? Is it weaker based on consumer demands? We're talking about phones versus PCSs. Guidance. Does Micron, will they continue to see that actual same momentum that we have been seeing these last couple of months? Will it continue for 2026? I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so you guys can see these amazing price demands these last couple months. So as you can see, from April 2025 until where they were $64. Now they have raised, they are now $100 more, which is absolutely crazy.
Yeah.
Definitely. I mean, the momentum is so strong. $100?
Yeah.
That is absolutely amazing.
That's good.
But earnings has a high bar to clear. It's not just, hey, you jump up a hurdle. We're talking about the high jump now. We're talking about the pole vault, okay?
I know
it's track season, so it's definitely we talk about the pole vault. Let's just see, based on the earnings call, are they gonna be able to really clear it? We just gotta watch out for the guidance and also for the margins closely. Price right now, even if they do a great job doing earnings, we all know how that goes.
Yeah, and then you saying overpriced. If you look at the pattern for earnings, they have a pattern of going up before earnings and then dropping off when earnings hit. So you always want to check the chart and see what have they done their last several earnings to lead up to the earnings that you're going into. To see if there's a pattern you follow on, to see what could possibly be next. You add in all those factors when you're looking at earnings. Earnings is a dangerous thing.
Yes, definitely. So if you look at even if you look at this trend line that I have going on right here, we already have one hit, two hit, and then right now this will be the third hit. So the question is, will they be able to uphold and surpass the trend line? Also, are they going to be able to surpass the Bollinger Bands? Because the Bollinger Bands, as you all know, most likely it stays within the Bollinger Bands at least 95% of the time. So even if it does go flying out, we all know that it may just go ahead and come back down, because just based off a chart, that is how the chart moves. Even looking at the weekly chart, I just brought it to the weekly, you'll be able to see that it's already outside of the Bollinger Bands. And last time it did that, which was right here, it came down a lot. So it went from $156 to $85. So you really gotta take into consideration, like, hey, could this be a run? Or since the chart is already telling you, since they already been up so much, could they really keep up the trend? Yeah. And will their stockholders, or are they going to believe with them?
And then if you look at the chart, it does have gaps, so be mindful of that, because gaps does have to fill. So just something to look at when you're looking at the chart, where there's the gaps, whatever they're there for earnings, just little things like that to keep your mind on where they might go.
Yes, and then looking at the chart, as you can see right here, there are some gaps. We have one right here, and then one down here. And then also last time they were up this high, it was kind of the same scenario over here. So as you can see, they went up, they had a gap right here, flew right past it, then they gapped up some more, and then all of a sudden they just fell. So we definitely need to take into consideration that history does repeat itself. It absolutely does. And if you still see the same signs of them still doing the same things, most likely they will, it will just happen again. So please let us know what your thoughts are on where you think Micron is going to go. Do you think it's going to go flying up and out the door for earnings? Do you think they'll really be able to clear that height that is going to be required for them? Because we're not talking about, the high jump or the hurdles. We're talking about pole vault now.
Right.
Are they going to be able to clear earnings?
Yeah, and there's one more thing to consider when you're looking at earnings, and some of the stuff that's going into it. So, like when you said the DRAM and the NAND, the DRAM is the storage unit, and now with the open AI and everybody investing in AI a lot, that everybody's looking for the storage, and then the NAND is the gate that lets information through. So, with those two things being in there, it could be a risk consideration of it going up because AI is definitely high demand, especially open AI. Everybody's openly invested in them.
Oh yeah.
So it's something to just keep your eye on.
Yeah.
So that could be something that pushes it. Mm-hmm. We don't know. It's all speculation right now. We're just telling you what we think. So yes. And things to look at.
Yes, definitely. But when in doubt, for me, it's always check a chart.
What does the chart say? Don't play games. Yes. I mean, all these outside influences it's good and cool, but what does the chart say? It's really vital that you know how to read a chart if you're going to be in the stock market.
Definitely. So please make sure that you guys like and subscribe. Make sure you get the journal that you need, and then also make sure you join our Stock Talk community where we help you make better and informed decisions so you can really start your wealth journey. But all right, you guys, until next time, thank you so much for clicking on.
Like and subscribe.
Peace. Hey, you guys, we really hope you enjoyed that last episode.
And if you're really ready to keep transforming, go ahead and jump into that next lab episode. The one right here. Down here, the link right here.
It's probably over here.
Or there, or here. Link, click. Go ahead. You got it.